A new Ford Bronco, Slow Restoration has lost his mind. How did he pull this off? What's going on, guys? It's Danny from Slow Restoration, and today we actually have a delivery. We're taking delivery of a brand new 2020 Ford Bronco. How can that be, you might ask? I don't know. Well, I haven't seen any other ones. Obviously, they're not out yet. I haven't seen any on YouTube except for like pre-production models. But I did make a video a little while back, and I'll put it up here, a link to it. So I made a video kind of saying Ford really messed up with the new Bronco because they're releasing the Bronco Sport first, which is kind of a Ford Escape, and the big Bronco, the one everyone's gonna actually want, is gonna come out later. So maybe it has a big part to it. Believe it or not, whatever. If you want to believe it, you can. If you don't, we do have a truck coming today delivering a brand new Bronco. So anxious to see it, anxious to get it and do some testing on it maybe, or definitely do some testing, and anxious to see what this thing actually looks like, the quality, the build quality, stuff like that. So this is a officially Ford licensed Bronco. It's not, you know, someone remade one, built one themselves. This is an actually official Ford licensed Bronco. So it should be interesting. Don't know if we'll be able to record the Bronco actually getting dropped off and delivered. I don't know. We'll have to see if I can get any footage with that, but it is, unless something drastic changes, I got notifications it will be here in the Finding Fast Motorsports garage today. Obviously, we're a very small channel in comparison to a lot of other channels on YouTube. And for us to be the first to take delivery of a Bronco is a very big deal. I also did see, obviously, a Dodge Ram came out with the TRX truck to compete, and it looks like so far it's going to dominate the Ford Ranger or Raptor. So I also saw that they're coming out with a like an SUV version of that too, which would be a direct competition with the Bronco. So anxious to see how that pans out too. It sounds like that's going to be pretty interesting too. So Ram is really, Dodge as a whole has come out with a lot of, I mean, they put that Hellcat motor in everything now. So it's pretty cool. I want Chevy to jump on board. They have the LT4, they have the LT5. They can put that in anything they want also. It would be very cool to see an off-road version of a Chevy, whatever. We don't care, just give us something. Well, I guess about the only thing it's going to convince you is we just go out and take a look at it. It's in the house garage. Let's go. All right, guys, to the best of my knowledge, this is a world's first too. First ever brand new Bronco reveal, especially on YouTube. I mean, obviously the new Bronco's been out there in prototypes, and you know, people, special people, if you will, have been testing them. Ford people, even a select few have tested them, but first real delivery ever of a new Ford Bronco. If you think about it, if you go all the way back, I think 96 was the last year Ford made the Bronco up until now, and YouTube just was not around back then. So I feel very privileged, and you should too, because you're going to see it here in a second. It is behind this door. Let's just open it up and check it out. In 5. Here it is. What? Who parked the Yukon here? Come on, guys, I'm trying to film. Well, that was embarrassing. We got the Yukon out of the way. Now let's check this Bronco out. Wow, it's kind of sobering actually. Right here in front of me, a brand new Ford Bronco. It's crazy. We're super excited to add this to the collection here. We have the Krypton Camaro, the Quadrosteer Yukon, the Turbo GMC, and I bet most of you guys thought I was actually going to be revealing the Bronco 2, our trail truck here, beater, whatever you want to call it, but not so. We actually have a brand new Bronco. She is looking a little sad out here though. I don't know about you, but that looks a little different than the images we saw, the prototype images, the prototype vehicle. That's a production vehicle. No one special, so I have the first production Ford Bronco. So what do you guys think of the brand new Bronco? I don't know. It's definitely different than I had thought. Maybe it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's pretty rugged. It's a little plasticky, a little smaller than I expected it to be, but it's a Bronco. I think it's going to be a pretty capable off-road vehicle, but we're not going to go into it any more than that in this upload, but you guys saw it. I have it. It's in my garage, a brand new Ford Bronco. With that being said, guys, you tell me what you want that Bronco to be put through. Do you want to see it just driving around on the street? I'm sure you do. Do you want to see it off-road? I'm sure you do. Deep water, mud, put it through its paces. Tell me what you want to see it, see that thing do first, what kind of tests you want us to put it through, and we'll make it happen. We're definitely going to do a bunch of testing on that. It's going to have to be another video though. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. Hit that like button, whatever you got to do. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day. Come on, guys, lighten up. It is a world's first, you got to admit.